ass fucking kid. Fucking kid did not die. What the fuck? My god, bro, this peacekeeper's ass. Need fucking fastbacks on this shit, bro. Fuck. Takes forever to fucking kill somebody in this fucking game, bro. Shit ass. Oh, I was getting fucking hit markers and shit. Swear to God. I need attachments. Facts. I do need attachments. I hate reloading slow as fuck. Fuck is everybody at? Oh no, that dude's ass. This fucking gun has this gun definitely needs extended mags ASAP. This shit's fucking ass without extended mags. It runs out of clips so fast. Oh, I swear to God, bro, I need more mags. The reload timing is fucking crucified. What? Look! No way in hell, no way in fucking hell I just lost that gun battle, bro. Shit's fucking dumb.
Hostile UAV circling.